Welcome to FAD tutorial. In this video I will teach you how you can make this 3D design in SolidWorks. So we are in SolidWorks now. So first of all, go to the file, new, part, okay. Then open the drawing. So we will make a rectangle of 40 and 50. Okay. So open the SolidWorks, go to the top plane, sketch, then select the center rectangle, smart dimension 40 and 50. Then open the drawing again and we have to extrude up to 10. Okay, go to SolidWorks, feature, extrude up to 10. Okay, this is ready now. So we have to select this one, sketch, reference geometry. Okay, why we use this one? Because if we open the drawing and you see our sketch is started from here, so the distance is overall 40 and this is 30, so our reference plane should be here. Okay, so we will use the reference plane. So select this one, plane. Okay, so its dimension is reverse. Okay, so flip the offset. Okay, so this is our sketch. So select this one and go to the sketch. Okay, on this reference plane we have to make the sketch. So if open the drawing, so we have to draw this sketch. So something like this, lines work are here. So let's open the SolidWorks and make this one. So first of all I have to draw a center line, something like this. We will go to the midpoint line. Okay, then select the line. Geometry is something like this. To here, here. Okay, then it's part of dimension. This is 10 and this is also 10. Okay, so we will do the same thing. Select the SolidWorks, smart dimension, this is 10 and this is 10. Okay, then go to the drawing again and this dimension is 45 from this end to this end. Okay, go to the SolidWorks, select this one to this one is 45. Okay, go to the SolidWorks again, from this end to this end is 20 dimension. Okay, select the SolidWorks, from this end to this end is 20. Okay, and go to the drawing again. This dimension is 10 and this dimension is 10. Okay, so SolidWorks, so this dimension is 10. Okay, and this dimension is 10. Okay, and upper dimension is also 10. It is not mentioned here. If you see, it's showing like 20. So 10 this and 10 this one's 20. Okay, so open the SolidWorks and this dimension is also 10 and the bottom dimension is also 10. Okay, so smart dimension from this end to this end is 20. Okay, the distance from this end is, this is 20, and if you open the drawing again, so this distance is 10. Okay, so open the sketch again, from this end to this end is 10. Okay, now the sketch is fully defined, and because it is showing here fully defined, close this one, feature, extrude. So extrude into reverse direction up to, so we will up to surface. So this is our surface up to here. So our 3D model is ready. I hope you like this tutorial. Please support my channel. I upload a similar tutorial like this way. Thank you very much.